Asuntoskeittiö Vantaan talvikki.
Yeah. Today it's the 22nd of May 2023. Going to be replaced. But it got the stakes of CMB. Okay.
Yeah.
This is also here in Tikkurila, Vantaa, modernized sports region, the Uusimaa in Finland, Orvokkikuja, reorganized I.G.V. Built in 2000 by I.G.V. The capacity is 8 persons or 630 grams. Started 20 years old in 2020. CMB is 913-2249, but we of course didn't get this TKC before they started replacing it on the 22nd of May, just today.
Yeah.
And it would have been inspected in 2025.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course they're not that good, but they're rock-and-rollic.
Yeah.
So they were a bit rare, but we knew what the serial number was in A.
Yeah.
It must have been one smaller.
Yeah.
I think it's one bigger than C.
Inspected by I.G.V. maintained by Schindler.
Because I at least haven't seen so many I.G.V. rock-and-rollic ones. They're not as common.
Yeah.
Don't think so.
Yeah.
Yeah. But still, this was not that important, but still, like a little bit more important than attraction I.G.V. from that time.
Yeah.
And that's it.
That's